Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and how to fix mail app error 0x8004042e. So guys, first step is click to start button, then click to setting, then troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, then scroll down, Windows storage and click to run. Please wait few minutes because this is working and you can do another step. Okay, so again click to start button, go to setting, second solution this is, click to Windows update and please check your Windows up to date. If any pending KB series, so you can fully download and then install and then restart and then will do, and then check it your error is coming or not. Okay, then click to next and cancel. Okay, and this is up to date your Windows. Okay, then third solution is open this PC, right click to see properties, then click to details, security, otherwise you can click to start button and type disk cleanup. Okay, so uncheck, okay, temporary file check and then click to disk cleanup. Okay, then cancel. Then guys, again one more step, click to start button, then click to setting, then app, install app, find the mail and calendar, click to 3 tab, then advance, scroll down. Firstly guys, you already configure the mail, so only click to repair. If you don't configure mail ID in your mail software, so you can click also reset because your data is removed. So you have already data and mail also, so you can only repair. Okay, then close it. Next solutions, then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scan now, you look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second
Second, also check health your computers. And third also check. And fourth, restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care. And you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.